Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. Good God. Hey Will, where are you going today? The Animal Kingdom.
We're not going to Animal Kingdom, Will.
Fine.
Fine. I just wanted to go to Animal Kingdom.
Oh, I could just kill a man!
Kill a man!
Hey, here we are on the lazy river. There's a beach.
Being lazy.
We've been lazy, we're chilling out on our double what's it. It's all pretty cool. Did you enjoy your swim? And swim.
Yeah.
Swim.
Let Brian swim.
Swim. Swim, bro. Is that fun? Cool.
It was fun. Refreshing.
Refreshing. We are at this beach and we went on the ski lift. Yeah, we went ski lift up to the top of it. And we were like, ah! And then we were like, okay, now what? Let's go and chill.
Let's go and chill.
Let's go chilling. Are you even in the shot? Probably not in the shot. I'm Robert. Guess you have no.
What's coming up?
What's coming up?
A cave.
Oh my god, a cave. Cave Johnson. Nice.
Oh my God, Will.
Oh my god, oh my god! I just saw it. Okay, right.
I'm gonna get wet.
Should we spin now?
We're gonna get wet.
Okay. Oh god! I love you!
I'm taking the video camera because Will doesn't get anything in shot. It's all like Cloverfield footage. Will right now is...
I'm a turtle.
He's a turtle?
He's
a turtle. Yep, pretty much. Look at the pretty trees. Oh look, there's Will. Having so much fun at Blizzard Beach. Get wet. Let's get wet, Brian. Brian, get wet. Brian, get wet. Get wet, Brian. Did you get wet, Brian? Did you get wet? Did you get wet? Will is still in the tube. But I got you a tube, Brian. Here we go. Here we go. Here's your little tube. Aww. Look how cute. Look how cute, Brian.
We rode on that.
It's called the Major Wedgie Ride.
Yeah.
And now we're riding on this ride.
Yeah, we're riding on the wooden plank ride.
So shall we go on it?
Okay, right.
Let's go on it.
Let's go on the wooden plank ride.
Oh my God!
This is so relaxing! This is so relaxing! I'm so chilled out right now!
We survived!
For real.
That was so fun.
This is the best 3D I've ever seen, just frankly. Best 3D you've ever seen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So fun. I'm having so much fun. Great.
And now we are eating lunch with our cool hats. French fry chip. Mmm.